Well, hello, my beautiful jewels and gems, and welcome to this edition of Ask Chauntel. So I'm so excited today to jump into another Nadine Flex unboxing. Let's get into it.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask Chauntel.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Chauntel from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
My name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. I'm so excited that you are here today. I'm Chauntel from askchauntel.com, and Nadine West sends me clothes to share with you guys every month. If you're interested in receiving a Nadine West package, a cute little pink package to your doorstep, then you go to nadinewest.com, fill out a style profile, and they will send you a cute pink package. Now, if you would like, for a limited time, there is a free shipment, okay? You don't have to pay for shipping. The link is in the description box below, and once you get it, of course, you will have to pay for anything that you choose to purchase, but that $9 shipping fee that's waived. Normally you pay $9, but whenever you do have that $9 fee, it just gets right applied to your order, and then you get to send back whatever you don't like. Whatever you do like, you can keep it. All right, and they also send a label for you so that you can send it right back right in your package. Now, I will mention that this looks a little different. Looks like we are changing up our packaging. Still pink, but a little different, And mine was open because the doggy, he got to it. Okay, so we've got tie-dye leggings, and these are sexy. I like them. I like how we're doing tie-dye these days, but we're being a little more sophisticated with it. You know, these are like grown-up colors. So these are cute. These are by Leggings Depot, so we'll try those on. And there was, you guys know I'm always dropping everything. This is an off-the-shoulder top floral print. Kind of looks Hawaiian-y, islandy, right? That's fun. By Hippie Chic. And then there was Sienna, Premium is the name for this one. And we've got some woven thing going here, and it's a tunic. I don't know about this one. I don't know. I didn't ADK. I like the leggings. The leggings are cute. I think the top has lots of potential, and there is a huge dress. This is a dress. Wow, isn't that big? It looks like it's gonna be huge on me. It's a large. Well, I did say, okay, on my style profile, I did say that I'm a large on bottom, which is why I think sometimes I get large dresses, but we'll see. We'll see how that fits on me. I'm not too sure about that one. And then there was, oh, these are like gacho pants. Oh yes, lounge working from home. I love it. These are very like fall. I like it. We're heading towards being falled out. You know what I mean? I love the colors. Okay, so we're gonna go try on these clothes. And you guys know me about this jewelry sometimes. Okay, so it's a necklace, and it looks okay. Good. Because I was like, it looks like it's tangled, and you guys know I don't be having patience for tangled necklaces, but it's gonna come out. Let's try it on. So I like how simple this is. Very simple, dainty, very pretty. Okay, so let's go try on the rest of the clothes. So this was super cute, very flowy, very comfy, very like I'm at home chilling, but if I needed to run out, I could do that. I was having too much fun. The color I think was nice, really bold color here, fun. Yes, it was working for me. I liked it. So this purple top was really pretty. I liked the color. I liked the crisscross in the front. I like that it covers your bum, so that's good. This was not the best pairing though. I mean, I'm frumpy in this like long tunic top with very flowy, you know, around the waist, and then these very long, kind of like, or not long, but very flowy, short capri style, you know, pants here. So I would definitely pair it with something more sleek, like a pair of leggings. But I did like the top though. The top was cute. So then I decided, you know what, let me try on a pair of leggings. I think I saw the frumpiness in the camera. And I really thought that these leggings were super cute. I mean, I wouldn't pair these two colors necessarily, but I did think that the leggings were super cute, and the style of legging with this top is perfect because it covers your bum, but you get that flowy, feminine vibe, and then if you have any problem areas, it's probably going to cover them up. So yeah, I definitely got a few. So yeah, I really like the leggings though. They fit really well, and I thought they were super pretty. So I was so wrong about this dress. I loved it. It's very comfy. It's very like, I don't know, like it has lots of elements that I like about it. I don't know. I don't know if a smaller size would have been better or not. I think that this size worked really well for me. It is a little bit baggy in the front, so maybe a medium would have been better, but overall I think it worked. I liked the dress. I liked the fact that it had pockets. I liked the paper bag waist. I liked the color. And just for you that are keeping up, yeah, this video was filmed a while ago, so if my colors in the clothing is not matching the season, you understand why. Got some life updates coming out pretty soon here. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this Nadine West unboxing. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to see more fun unboxings like this. Also, if you like this video and you want to see more like this, definitely give me a like. And comment below on your favorite outfit. What was your favorite outfit? What was your least favorite outfit? What's something you can see yourself wearing? Love you guys so much. Here comes some more videos. We'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses.